here from Skating Magic, and this is we are a part of the bigger Skating Magic family, and we are here today to show you how to inline skate backwards. Inline skating backwards is not easy. Beginners find it difficult. They can't do it the first time they try it. It's not so easy. It's not a beginner thing mostly. Experts like inline skating backwards because it makes them look cool. When you want to look cool, you want to learn how to inline skate backwards. And we are going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Welcome. Are you new to our channel, Skating Magic channel? If you are, I'm inviting you today to like, share and subscribe so that you won't miss out on any of our future videos.
How to inline skate backwards. Technique 1. This is the most basic technique for inline skating backwards. There is the opposite of going forwards, and here's how to do it. Get into the correct stance for backward skating. The toes are pointing in while the heels point out. The knees are bent and the chest is positioned over your knees, and your head is looking over one shoulder so that you can see where you're going. Then start marching backwards. To do this, lift one skate and put it down, maintaining the heel pointed out position. Then repeat this motion with the other skate. When your toes point in and your heels point out, you start gliding backward naturally. Backward swizzles. Another way to skate backwards is to do backward swizzles. The heels roll in an arc, then glide back in and then out again, like you're tracing out a series of the letter O. As you skate backwards, you want to see where you're going, so you really shouldn't continue looking forwards. Instead, you gotta squat a bit and then lower down one shoulder and literally look over your shoulder to stay safe. You don't want pebbles to stop you from going backwards. Watch Buji do backward swizzles, an inline skater and a member of the Skating Magic team who started skating at the age 9. He's 25, so he's been skating for 16 years. That's quite a bit of experience. The next technique for rollerblading backwards is the jumping and turning method. If you know how to jump on inline skates, this method of skating backwards will be a piece of cake for you. Start gliding forward and build up some speed. Not much when doing it for the first time, of course. Then go up in the air and turn 180 degrees and land. Bend your knees as you land and sink low. Try not to put too much weight over the toes because you're gonna fall. As you land, keep the skates reasonably close while keeping them parallel to each other. If you land on either the inner or outer edges, your glide going backwards won't be smooth at all. Also, don't put too much weight on the rear wheel because that's how beginners get stopped by pebbles. Here is the fourth method of blading backwards using backward crossovers. Backward crossovers are the opposite of forward crossovers. At this point, you should be able to balance properly, skate forwards and skate backwards. To skate backwards on rollerblades using crossovers, find a circle or draw one on the ground to skate around. The inside foot is the one riding closest to the edge of the circle, while the other is the outside foot. Start pushing with the outer foot. At this point, all of the weight is on this outside skate. Then, pick the pushing foot and cross it over the inner foot. As you do this, bend the knee of the inner leg even more, shifting your weight to this skate. You want to land on the center edge. Then, step out with the other foot, the one that was initially the inside foot, and repeat the motion. Many skaters struggle with backward crossovers, so don't let frustration get the better of you. Keep practicing instead. Watch how Buji here is doing it, and if you'd like to see another expert teaching backward crossovers, I suggest that you watch Asha of Skate Fresh. We have learned loads from Asha. 2 mistakes to avoid when doing backward crossovers. Mistake 1. Avoid using the outside or inside edge after crossing over. Mistake 2. Avoid keeping your feet too close after crossing over. Keep your feet one shoulder width apart for your safety.
Did you like our video on how to inline skate backwards? If you did, thank you very much, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.